So what can I do now? I doesn't know how to treat a patient of stomachache. What can I do now? Okay, I can take help from ChatGPT again. Where is this ChatGPT? Hey man, up here. Where are you, ChatGPT? Hello, ChatGPT.
Hello, Dr. Mishra. How can I help you?
How can I treat to a patient who is suffering with severe stomachache?
Take a CT scan first, then ultrasound, X-ray and endoscopy.
Thank you, ChatGPT.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, dear. You have to go across with an scan, ultrascopy and endoscopy test.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, leave the place. Shift her to the medical ward. I have to do an operation.
Okay, doctor.
Go, take him.
What the nonsense.
Hello friends, welcome to today's live. I am in front of the city hospital. Let's go inside. Hi ma'am. Ma'am, what happened? Why are you crying?
There is a big problem for me.
I am on Instalive. If you have problems, you can share here.
My daughter has stomachache, but the doctor took her to the operation theatre for surgery without my consent and signature. What can I do now? Please help me.
This is a terrible situation in this hospital. I also had a bad experience in this hospital. I think the doctor is not experienced. Ma'am, can we go and do protest against him? Come.
Dismiss the fake doctor and provide better treatment. No fake doctors, no fake use. Save the life, stop the fraud.
What is happening there?
Dismiss the fake
Go on,
doctors
check, go on,
and
check.
provide better treatment. No fake doctors, no fake use. Save the life, stop the fraud.
What is happening?
Deepakara. Doctor, there is something going on. They are
What's
doing
happening? What's happening?
against you. What we have to do now?
Against me. What?
Hello guys, this is Gautami. I'm
I
a news
can,
reporter. Some
check
people
my-
are performing on march. Let's know the reason about it. Hello ma'am, what is the reason behind your march, ma'am?
Our march is about raising on fake Dr. Mishra. Doctor's duty is not just holding
You
a
must wait
certificate.
here.
It is
Wait,
about
wait,
having
until the
expertise, experience and
I have
ethical
original certificates.
responsibility
Wait,
to
wait,
heal. A doctor without skill is more dangerous than disease itself. This is not just fight against only one fake doctor. It is a fight
wait,
for
wait here, wait
accountability
here.
for stricter regulations. We must ensure that those have with real skill and dedication wears the doctor's coat.
Okay ma'am, thank you for your response.
Without police is the right way. Provide better treatment. No fake doctors, no fake use. Save the life, stop the fraud. Oh my God, police! It's better to escape.
Where is the police? Where is the police? Hey man, get up. Who are you? I doesn't want to come to police station. Leave me.
Get onto the jeep now.
Why? What happened? What can I do?
You got fake certificate giving money. You can't escape from this case.
Fake certificate? It is my original certificate. I can't give.
Give.
No, I can't give.
Give once.
Original
Give.
certificate.
We are having proofs.
What can I do? What can I do? Police can know my
Move.
fake certificates. What can I do?
These are some certificates.
Sir, this is my original certificates. How you
We
get?
are having proofs.
No. Leave me. I can give how much you require.
We are not here to take money. Okay? Come.
Sir, hello sir. How did you get information about this incident, sir?
We have been getting so many complaints from multiple people in police station. So we investigated this incident and we understood that this doctor has fake certificate. So that we are here to arrest him.
Okay sir, thank you for your response.
Leave me, sir. I can't go to police station. Please.
You have to come.
No. No, sir.
Good afternoon, audience. this is Maithili, your news reader. Welcome back to our show TV9 Breaking News. Yes, today our breaking news is about a fake doctor. A fake doctor has been performed unwanted surgery to the patient in the hospital by using ChatGPT and YouTube videos. Yes, you heard right. To know more information about this, let's contact our reporter, Miss Manashri. We make a line to her. Miss Manashri.
Yes, tell me, Maithili.
Miss Manashri, are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm in online. Tell me.
Miss Manashri, what is the terrible situation over there? Can you please?
I'm standing outside the city hospital where authorities have just arrested the Dr. Mishra, an individual who had performed a surgery to a patient for normal stomachache. Moreover, he did not ask the permission for their family members for this operation. The police investigation has identified that the medical certificates are unfortunate and he lacked with his basic knowledge.
Miss Manashri, can you please explain the response of police authorities over there?
Yeah, the police and health authorities are acted fastly after getting many complaints. The hospital staff are in shock and the patients who were treated by Dr. Mishra are being re-evaluated. They have to verify the doctor's centrifugals before seeking the treatment. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Miss Manashri, for your valuable response, and it is considered as the biggest fraud in the medical field. We should appoint only skilled, valued, experienced doctors for the treatment.